Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
The energy seems to be so low. Let's do this. When I say a hi, can you say a hello? Hello! Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Who's there?
Hello. I can look here from that group. This side everyone's like quiet. Hello. Are y'all enjoying this evening? Are y'all ready? Y'all are like, yes. With that energy on the floor. Can I hear you all saying hello? Hello! See, again, everyone's quiet over here. See, he's this boy. What's your name? He's come with a lot of energy. Round of applause for him. Give a round of applause for him. One love cheer. Are you all excited to be here at the Goan Group? Yeah! Are you all excited to hear the performances and dance till you last drop? This group is energetic here. I don't know what's happening over here. Only one group is come for a party, the rest are all come here. Hello. Can I have your hands raised up in the air? Let me get this first pumped up. Hello! You know, all your photos are going to come like... The Goan group is going to be like, what just happened? Was this a party or what just happened over there? Am I right? All smiley faces. So beautiful to see every one of you present over here. Y'all were missing Goa, so we decided to bring Goa to you. With lovely music by DJ Elton, we have Mark Revellon and DJ Charlton. Firstly, let us give a round of applause for DJ Elton here. DJ Elton Souza.
Thank you very much, thank you.
Could be a bit louder, guys. He was amazing. He sang for you. He brought the vibe to this place. One more round of applause for all the organizers who made this party happen today. A round of applause. Come on. Everybody stand up. Leave your seats. Come on. Everybody on the dance floor.
No
names. Come on. Bring everybody on the dance floor. Come on. Is she your wife?
No.
She's not. I'm not calling out the name. I'll be no trouble. That's okay. Excuse me. Come on, guys. Come on. I'm so glad I could be here. Hey, three hours down by. It's all go. Yo go. Ladies and gentlemen, as we are partying here tonight, we are also live on Goa Pages UK. This party is being streamed live. So if you all go to the account of Goa Pages, you can share this video to your friends and family and let them know where the best party is happening tonight. That will only happen if you all are going to dance over here. So only boso salani and party na. No. Correct, Travis. Travis is like, no. Come forward. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for great music as we welcome back Elton Philip Souza to the stage again. A little bit about him. Elton is a seasoned vocalist and a guitarist who has performed as so let's go. Come, chameleon.
Let go and breathe. Let go and breathe.
Go ahead.
Yeah,
Everybody.
make some noise for Elton Souza.
It's been a pleasure, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we continue the music, a few important announcements. Can I have everyone's right hand up showing me the band? The band that you're wearing? Okay. Some of you all are having the red band that is indicating you are underage. Okay. So after 10 p.m. you won't be allowed to be in the venue. Okay. Strictly after 10 p.m. Also, if anyone is found without a band, Anyone without a band, even if you have bought the ticket but you don't have a band on you, will be asked to leave the venue. So to avoid any inconvenience and to enjoy the party fully, requesting you all to please have your bands till the end of this party. Can I have a hi? Energy is not high enough. Hi! Are you all ready for the most awaited performance of tonight by Mark Revelon? Our next performer is an absolute powerhouse. He is a self-taught musical maestro and a brilliant producer, a killer drummer, and a singer whose voices carry the soul of Goa. Do you all agree? From local stages to massive crowds in London, Canada, America, and Middle East, and many more, he has been the true heartbeat of every music lover in Goa. I'm sure you have danced to his massive hits like Ek Ek Tees and Tees Uday Lo. Oh my god, that's one of my favorite songs. Tonight he is here. Are you all ready to kick the dance floor to his music and make sure you dance till every beat drops? Oh my god, Mark Revelon is not coming up on stage till this energy goes higher. Do you want Mark on stage, yes or no? Do you want Mark Revelon on stage, yes or no? Put your hands together for the one and only, the sensational, phenomenal Mark Revelon.
Africa, she talks like a lady from America.
I am Soil now. 8 and 3. 83. 8 and 3. 83. What's the next lineup? What's happening in the next few months?
First of all, let me start. We are going to have many more. Thank you for coming. And like when we saw these many people, come all the way from different countries, and we're not like different countries. We are all one. We are all Goa. So this is the casa. And thank you all for showing us so much love and support. Thank you.
Thanks for organizing.
Once again, round of applause for Jude and Retoy. Have a good night and thank you. This is your host, your Bushu signing off today. Over DJ Charlton.
And also don't forget for Compare tonight, all the way from UK. Give a round of applause for Bushu.
Thank you all for all the love you have shown to me tonight. Thank you very much for all the people who came to me and appreciated my work. Thank you very much. Looking forward to host many more events in Ireland. Thank you. Good night.
Are you tired?